Good morning students. We are on the chapter number 6, application of derivative. In that today's topic is maximum and minimum values. So the first derivative test is, let f be defined in an open interval I equal to open interval a comma b and c belongs to I, and c is called the critical point of function f. Then also the function should be continuous at c. If there exists a positive number h such that f dash of x is less than 0 in the interval c minus h comma c, and f dash of x is greater than 0 in the interval c comma c plus h, then f of x has a local minimum value at c. Second condition is that if there exists a positive number h such that f dash of x is greater than 0 in the interval c minus h comma c, and f dash of x is less than 0 in c comma c plus h, then the function has a local maximum value at c. Critical number. A critical number, that is c, of a function is a number that belongs to the domain of the function such that f dash of c equal to 0, or we can say that the function is not differentiable at c. To find the extreme value of a function, it is defined in the closed interval a comma b. First step is to find the local minimum and local maximum value of that function. Second is find the value of the function at the endpoints. The largest value obtained in the 1 and 2, they are called the global maximum, and the smallest value is called the global minimum of function. Now we'll start the exercise sum. In that first question is to find the minimum and the maximum value of the function f of x equal to 5 minus 3x plus 5x square minus x cube, where x is belonging to R. So the first step is to find the derivative of this function. Derivative, first derivative gives minus 3, 5 is constant, derivative of 5 is 0, minus 3 plus 10x minus 3x square. Find the second derivative of this function. Second derivative of this function of the function is obtained to find whether the function is minimum or maximum. But before that, we'll find the critical value. That is, critical value is obtained when we equate this f dash of x equal to 0. So equating f dash of x equal to 0, the factors are x minus 3 into 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So we get the value of x as 3 and 1 by 3. Double derivative of this function is 10 minus 6x. Put the value of x as 3 and you can see that the value is minus 8, which is less than 0. So at x equal to 3 we have local maximum. So put the value of x equal to 3 in the function. So we get 5 minus 9 plus 45 minus 27, that is 50 minus 36 equal to 14. So local max of function value is 14. Now we will take the value of x as 1 by 3, put that value in double derivative, and we get 10 minus 6 into 1 by 3 is 10 minus 2, that is x greater than 0. You get the value as 8, that is greater than 0. 8 is greater than 0, so local minimum. Value of the function at local minimum, that is 1 by 3, is 5 minus 1 plus 5 by 9 minus 1 by 27. Simplifying, the answer is 122 upon 27. Next question is f of x equal to log x upon x, and x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 3. First step is to find the derivative of this function with respect to x. So differentiating with respect to x, we get x into 1 by x minus log x into 1 upon x square. So 1 minus log x upon x square, equating to 0, f dash of x equal to 0. To find the critical point, we get 1 minus log x upon x square equal to 0, log x equal to 1, log x equal to log e to the base e, so x is e, the value of x is e. Next step is to find the double derivative. Double derivative of this function is x square into minus 1 by x minus 1 minus log x into 2x upon x raised to 4 is equal to minus x minus 2x plus 2x log x to the base e upon x raised to 4. We get 2 into log x minus 3 upon x raised to 4. For maximum and minimum, f double dash at e is log e with base e 2 minus log e with base e minus 3 upon e the whole cube is 2 minus 3 upon e raised to 3 minus 1 upon e raised to 3 less than 0. Local max at x equal to e. So f of e is a global maximum value log x to the power e upon e is 1 by e. F of 1 because here the x is on the closed interval 1 to 3, so f of 1 is log 1 with base upon 1 is 0. F of 3 is log 3 upon 3, right? And f of e is 1 by e. So f of 1 equal to 0 is a global minimum value at x equal to 1. F of e equal to 1 by e is a maximum value at x equal to e. Next question is f of x equal to x upon x plus 1 and x belongs to closed interval 1 comma 2. First step is to find the derivative of this function. Using the formula fx upon gx, we get x plus 1 into 1 minus x upon x plus 1 the whole square. So x plus 1 minus x upon x plus 1 the whole square equal to 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square. Again we'll find the double derivative of this function at x, that is minus 2 upon x plus 1 the whole cube. Now for maximum and minimum, we equate the single derivative f dash at x equal to 0. So 1 upon x plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. But x is belonging to the closed interval 1 to 2. So it is not possible. So we can write that the local maximum and minimum value for this function does not exist. A window is in the form of a rectangle surmounted by semicircular opening. The total perimeter of the window is 10 meter. Find the dimension of the window for the maximum air flow through the window. So here you can see a rectangular surmounted by a semicircular opening. So the total, we have taken DA and CB as x, DC and AB they are 2R. So the total perimeter of the window in the question it is given as 10 meter. So 2x plus 2R plus semicircle, area of a circumference of a semicircle is 2 pi r divided by 2 is equal to 10 meter. So 2x equal to 10 minus 2r minus pi r. Area is half into pi r square plus 2rx. So in place of 2x, we'll substitute the value as 10 minus 2r minus pi r. Simplifying the terms, we get area equal to 10r minus 2r square minus 1 by 2 into pi r square. So the maximum value, for maximum value of a, we differentiate with respect to r and then equating to 0 to find the critical points. dA by dr is 10 minus 4r minus pi r. So 10 minus 4r minus pi r equal to 0. So from that we get the value of r as 10 upon pi plus 4. Again differentiating with respect to r to find the double derivative, we get minus 4r minus pi less than 0. Right? So now a has a maximum value at r equal to 10 upon 4 plus pi. So 2r equal to 10 minus 2r minus pi r, 10 minus r into 2 plus pi. So 2x equal to 10 minus 10 upon pi plus 4 into 2 plus pi. Taking the LCM, we get 2x equal to 10 pi plus 40 minus 20 minus 10 pi upon 4 plus pi, that is 2x equal to 20 upon pi plus 4. Dividing both the side by 2, we get the value of x as 10 upon pi plus 4 and 2r is 20 upon pi plus 4. Next question is, prove that right circular cone of maximum volume inscribed in a sphere of radius r has altitude 4r by 3. So here you can see a right circular cone is inscribed in a sphere. PC is the altitude, PB, O is the center with radius r, OA equal to OP equal to r, OC equal to x. Height of the cone will be r plus x. AC is under root of r square minus x square, that is the radius, and volume is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and AC is the radius. What is the value of AC? It is under root of r square minus x square the whole square, so we get r square minus x square into r plus h. Multiplying the factors, we get 1 by 3 pi into r cube plus r square x minus r x square minus x cube. Now differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by 3 pi into r square minus 2rx minus 3x square. Again differentiating with respect to x, we get 1 by 3 pi into minus 2r minus 6x. So to find the critical values, we have to equate dv by dx equal to 0. Equating to 0, we get 1 by 3 pi into r square minus 2r x minus 3x square equal to 0, r minus 3x into r plus x equal to 0. So r equal to 3x, or we can get x equal to r by 3. Now in the double derivative, replace the value of r x as r by 3, that is 1 by 3 into pi into minus 2r minus 6 r by 3, 1 by 3 pi into 4r, you can see it is less than 0. So the maximum value of the cone is x equal to, the maximum value of cone at x equal to r by 3 is, height is x plus r plus r by 3. So the height, that is the altitude of the cone, is 4r by 3. Next question is to find the two positive number whose sum is 16 and the sum of the cube of them is minimum. So let the required number be x. X and 16 minus x, as the sum of the two positive number is 16. Sum of the cubes is f of x equal to x cube plus 16 minus x cube. Differentiating with respect to x, we get 3x square minus 3 into 16 minus x the whole square into minus 1. Equating to 0 to find the critical value, we get 3x square minus 3 into 256 minus 32x plus x square equal to 0. So we get the value of x as 8. Find the double derivative. Double derivative of the function is f double dash of x equal to 3 into 32x minus 256 is equal to 32. 3 into 32, that is greater than 0. So the f of function has a minimum value when we take x equal to 8. The other number is 16 minus 8 equal to 8. Therefore the required numbers are 8, 8. So complete all the sum in your fab book.